Solid is one of the three main states of matter, along with liquid and gas. It is a state of matter characterized by particles arranged such that their shape and volume are relatively stable. The constituents of solid tend to be packed together much closer than the particles in a gas or liquid. The reason a solid has a rigid shape is that the atoms or molecules are tightly connected via chemical bonds. To make it easy to understand, any matter with a definite shape and volume is solid. Examples of solids are the brick, penny, piece of wood. Do you think emerald and a sweet cotton candy are alike? They are different in every aspect, and yet they are both solid. What differentiates these is the structures and arrangement of their particles. While solids are divided into two main categories, crystalline solids and amorphous solids. These are based on how the particles are arranged. Crystalline solids, or crystals, are regarded as true solids. These are the most common type of solids. Their characteristics are what we associate solid with. They are firm, hold a definite and fixed shape, are rigid and incompressible. They generally have geometric shapes and flat faces. Also, crystalline solids have a distinct melting point. To understand crystals, we must understand their structure. The arrangement of particles in a crystalline solid is very orderly fashioned. These particles are arranged in a repeating pattern of three-dimensional network. This network is known as crystal's lattice, and the smallest unit of crystal is a unit cell. Examples of crystalline solids are the common table salt, diamond, metals, and rubies. Amorphous solids literally means the solid without form. Unlike crystalline solids, amorphous solids are rigid structure, but they lack a well-defined shape. They do not have geometric shape, so they are not crystalline. This is why they do not have edges like crystals do. Amorphous solids does not have a definite melting point. Instead, it melts gradually over a range of temperatures because the bonds do not break all at once. This means an amorphous solid will melt into a soft, malleable state before turning completely into a liquid. Amorphous solids break into uneven pieces with irregular edges, and they do not have any distinct arrangement or shape of molecules, so they cannot be identified. Their structures are crystals. Examples of amorphous solids are the naphthalene ball, glass, rubber, and plastics.